This is not a regular business, and this is not business as usual. You have seen it and you like it. Half kilogram of beef, ground ginger and garlic. You need a giant onions, lots of chili pepper, popularly called shombo in Nigeria. You need tomatoes. These are natural spices, dried shallots, curry, thyme, dried onions, all mixed together. Some bay leaves, and 2.5 cups of Nigerian parboiled rice. You must cut your beef according to your size. You can see mine. I have nothing to hide. And that brings us to the beginning of the start with immediate effect. We must season the meat with the grated ginger and garlic, the mixed spice, and these 2 seasoning cubes. I cannot do too much. Salt is part of it. You cannot do without salt. Who can do without salt? Guess what else you can do? We cannot do anything else. You just need to combine what you have with what have you, and then cover it. We shall proceed, progress, preoccupy, occupy. What am I saying? Disregard whatever I say. So you add tomatoes to a blender, all of the tomatoes. We will attempt to blend it a little before adding the chili pepper. Here comes the chili pepper. I had to remove the seeds from the pepper to reduce the hotness. This is not a competition for who can eat more pepper. These 2 combo is what you need. You don't need to do too much. You don't need to be running helter-skelter looking for one foreign pepper all over the place, all over the nation, all over Nigeria. Once this is dried, we'll turn the camera to the meat. Your meat should be soft and easy to chew. You don't want to be fighting with meat. So how do we progress? We fry the meat. Attention citizens, you are not permitted to eat this meat. We don't want your explanation. We know you'll be tempted. Be a man and avoid it. Finally, we made it. Welcome to the business of the day. Onions, garlic, and ginger will always be the first to enter the oil. They are noise makers, but they will soon disappear. Tomato is also a noise maker, but not as much as the other guys. So guess what else we need to do? We cannot do anything. We can only fry this until it is properly fried. Beef stock must be added. Water must be added. You don't want to be adding water while the rice is already cooked. Just 1 extra seasoning cube. Salt to taste. Add the parboiled rice. I'm using a regular Nigerian rice. You can actually use any rice that you have. Rice is rice. And finally, we have to cover it. Uncover it. We have never seen this before. We have seen it before. Disregard what I say. This is exactly what you want. The color is perfect and original, but we are not there yet. Add tomatoes and onions. Just because they are the most perfect decoration for a family jollof rice, we must cover it. Uncover it. We have never seen this before. Okay, I said that before. What is left that I haven't said? Have we gotten to the end? Is this the end? Endurance. You have not subscribed. Or you want meat, and meat upon meat. What else do you want? What can you want? What must you want? Thank you for watching. What do you have to say? Can we call it a day?